Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock biomes in Plants vs. Brainrots. So right now, I'm in the desert biome. Basically, there's some storylines like this, and it's going to show up like a notification that says like you'll need to battle, you'll need to battle the Brainrots, I guess. And then I opened the desert biome on the 25th time I defeated the battle. There's another one, it's called the jungle biome. You'll need to have defeated it 50 times. And the latest one is Cherry Grove. I think it's going to be on the 75th time you defeated the battle. But that's how you can basically unlock biomes. You'll also unlock brain rots, specifically to the biomes. So for the desert biome, you'll get El Tacarito, Pepito de Pollo, which is this one. And then this one is Meow Tronzillo. This one's Mangelo, and this one's Rexosaurus hatcherini. And then there will be a jungle biome in which you'll get Mela Morta, Maestro Stuntufo, Megalodino, Conario, and La Mostardino. And the last one, this is a new biome, Cherry Grove. You'll get Cocolini Crabello, Mopo Moporani, Smug Wallatino. I think I already have that from the admin event. You'll get something like this. This is Smug Wallatino and Frito Bacatino. I do not know how y'all pronounce those brain rots, but that's how you can unlock biomes in Plants vs. Brainrots. You just have to finish the story mode. For all, you'll need 75 story modes, and I actually don't know how much they spawn, but yeah, you're just going to have to do that 75 times. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.